Hello everyone, Mark McRae from Inaxsys here. We've had many requests, and at Inaxsys, we aim to please and go above and beyond. So to start our new year, we're doing our third exclusive Inaxsys New Product Roadshow. The Roadshows will be from February 17th, 2023 to February 21st, 2023. We will travel to Halifax, Moncton, Victoria, Burnaby, Montreal, Quebec City, Edmonton, Calgary, Ottawa, Toronto, and Winnipeg. We will show brand new features and products from all of our security solutions, from ICT ProtegeGX and WX to Ajax, to Arkiv, to Legend, and more. We will be giving away an Ajax Starting Kit that we have here, including an Ajax panel, a MotionProtect or a MotionCam, and a DoorProtect. And we'll be giving one of these away at every single event, as well as multiple gift cards. If you're unable to attend for any reason in person to our events, don't worry, we've got you covered. If you like our LinkedIn page and share any of the LinkedIn posts that you see about the Roadshow, you'll be able to win another kit that we're going to be drawing live on February 23rd on our YouTube channel. And on top of that, we're going to have a secret gift that we're going to be drawing at the same time. So come and see us, join with us in our trainings, and we can't wait to see you there. Thank you.